Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Chef and More, and today we are getting ready to make appetizers, guys, snacks. It's football season. Who doesn't want to sit down to Monday Night Football with a fantastic appetizer, guys? As a matter of fact, appetizers and snacks is coming up on the holiday season. And it doesn't matter if the appetizer and snack doesn't fit the actual holiday. It's an appetizer. It's a snack, guys. Pick it up, pop it in your mouth, and just keep it moving. We are going to make little smokies in a blanket, guys. Yes, little smokies in a blanket. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes the easy and simple way, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell to get the notifications every time I upload another amazing, delicious recipe. Guys, I've got a whole channel full of dishes and food that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so the ingredients are few, but it's going to pack a punch. We are using Hillshire Little Smokies. Just the little smokies, guys. I'm sure we've all seen these. We're going to use some sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to use crescent rolls to make these, and you'll need some butter. And you'll either need a pizza cutter or just a regular butter knife will do. You'll also need a cookie sheet. So let's get busy. I'm going to show you how to do these. This is quick, simple, and easy, made from scratch. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is rinse and pat dry your little smokies. You want them dried off as much as possible so they won't be wet. Once that's done, we're going to open up our crescent rolls. And you just take a spoon, but I have a knife, and you press in the seam and they pop right open. Okay guys. And as you can see, we have a roll here, but you want to pull them apart. We're going to use one at a time. And this is just a roll of 8, I think is in here. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is cut your cheese, cut it in half. Then you want to cut each half in half and cut those in half again. So in essence, you're going to get 8 pieces out of each slice of cheese. So this will be for 8 little smokies. And as far as the dough is concerned, guys, I like to use the crescent dough just because I personally like the taste of it. But you can use this with regular biscuits. With regular biscuits, you will have to roll them out some though. So you just want to take a strip and cut it like that. And cut it like that. We're going to be stretching the dough as we go around it. So it doesn't matter if it gets smaller, but if you want and you feel more comfortable, you can cut it the other way. Either way is fine. You can just cut it however you like. So let's show you how to wrap this up. So quick and easy, guys. You want to take your little smoky and you're going to put the cheese around it right in the middle. And then you want to take a piece of dough, start on the end at the top. Make sure it touches both pieces of cheese and just gently stretch it as you wrap it around. Just gently stretch it as you wrap it around. Wrap it around until you get to the other piece of cheese and it is completely covered. Then you want to sit it on your tray. You want to sit it on your tray, seam side down, guys, seam side down. So I'm going to show you another one right quick. Then I'm going to bang the rest of these on out. Put the cheese around it. Start on one end with your dough. stretching that dough around. You just want to make sure you've got that cheese covered. Now, as they bake, guys, some of the cheese may ooze out, but that's all in the fun of it. So we don't mind if some of our cheese oozes out. Just make sure it's sealed on the other end, and there you have it. You don't want them touching, just put them down on your baking sheet. So let's get the rest of these banged out, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back on. My little smokies are still in the oven. They're almost done. I think they've got, about 30 seconds left. So we'll be pulling them out in a minute. In the meantime, I wanted to just mention that this is a subscriber request. So I forgot to say that in the very beginning. I did want to mention that. Anyone else that has a subscriber request would like to see me make something, can't promise you I'll make everything, but I'll see what I can do. Okay. I think we're just about done. Let's get these out of the oven. Oh boy, if you could smell these, they smell amazing. They smell amazing, guys. They smell amazing. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. Let me see if I can show you close up. Right out of the oven. Oh, look at that. Nice and golden brown, guys. Nice and golden brown. Okay, guys, fresh out of the oven, the first thing you want to do is brush them with a little melted butter. Just brush each one with a little melted butter. Gives it that extra buttery flavor, nice little sheen on them. Yes. Okay guys, we're going to get these all plated up. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown all around. All right, I'm going to get these plated up. Okay guys, look. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We are done. And look guys, I cut one open so that you can see the inside. Yes, awesome and amazing. Some of them have the cheese oozing out. Have a bite. All right, guys, it is time for our taste test. Yes, our taste test, guys. Let me turn this oven light on. Okay, guys, it is time for our taste test. That's the beauty of an appetizer. It's finger food. You don't need a fork. You don't need a spoon. All you need to do is pop it in and eat, guys. Yes. Those little smokies have just the right amount of smoke, guys. And the cheddar cheese, oh my goodness. And like I said, guys, if you don't like cheese, leave the cheese out. Switch it up to pepper jack. Get a little kick going on, guys. Oh, this is an amazing snack. Pass it around, have a snack. Or guys, okay, we know we're still social distancing, so you can put these in individual little containers and pass them out that way. To each his own. All right, guys. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. Guys, I'm going to be doing some more awesome, amazing appetizers as the holidays approach us. So make sure you have tapped that bell, subscribe to the channel. All of my current subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are not subscribed, come on now, what you waiting on? Don't you want to check out more of these amazing, awesome recipes? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me some comments. We like those comments, guys. And if you're watching the video, hit the thumbs up, guys. Come on now. Thank you so much again. And guess what, guys? I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.